How to record vocals in Bandlab. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can record vocals in Bandlab. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now, of course, I'm not a vocalist, so I'm not going to be recording vocals myself, but I'll just upload some beats so that you can understand how it works, right? We'll be going over all of this. So let's get started. So I've opened up the application and you can download it from Play Store and iOS. It's available on both devices. So now we'll just sign up with our email address and get started. We'll now set our username over here. And after setting it up, we'll just choose the categories we like, pick the genres randomly, click on next. And once it's done, you are good to go. Now, this is how it looks like, guys. This is the application. It's loading up. I don't know what's wrong with my internet. The timeline is not loading up, but everything else is loaded up. So basically, over here, it's kind of like Twitter. Like, you follow a bunch of accounts, you have this timeline over here. If it gets loaded up, I don't know why it's not loading up. Here we go. All right. So this is how it looks like. Very similar to Twitter in a sense. Like people are uploading their own stuff, their own music that they've created on the timeline, as you can see right here, to get feedback from the community. So we are going to do something similar. So what you can do is you just simply click on this plus icon, and over here you can go ahead and start creating your own music. Over here you can import files, you can add voices and musics. Just gonna give it permission right here. Over here you can record your vocals, as I said before. Let's go ahead and go back. And over here you have samples, loopers, visual instruments, guitar, bass. You can have all of those. You have splitters, song starters, tuners, mastering, auto stretch. You got a lot of different options that you can choose from, right? So all you got to do is just simply click on import file. Let's go ahead and import a music file. Here we go. So this is the file that I have. I'm going to import it. There we go. We now have a track. We can also create another layer right here, and we can add different stuff to it. We can add a looper, a guitar with amp, and record our own voice if we want to. We just select that, and now we just simply go ahead and just add that over there. We should be good to go like that. And you can do a lot of cool stuff with it as well, guys. You can go ahead and add notes. You have your settings right here and everything else. It's actually very simple to do it, right? Nothing too crazy. You can go ahead and save it if you want to by clicking on the discard, cancel, or save button. You can save it like so, save, and you should be good to go. Of course, you have a bunch of different options as well. You can go ahead and click on the explore button and you can find out other stuff to it. And you can find other genres of music right here to go ahead and listen to, maybe get an idea, communicate with the community, and get better at what you're doing. So really simple. This is how you do it. This is how you add music or vocals to Bandlab. Let me show you. Let me actually go ahead and record something over here as well. So as you can see right now, I am recording over here. Ooh, I don't actually know how to do that. I'm just doing it right here. This was the raw audio file. You can go ahead and listen to it as well if you want to, but yeah, now it's recording over the previous recording that we had just, done recording. It's very similar. Now, of course, you can go ahead and cancel it. Click over here. Let's say we want to import our, music. We click over here, and now we click on the file. We can select the, you know, overall sound of our file. We can go ahead and select the pitch, modern rap. We can go ahead and use auto tune as well, auto pitch, all of that other classical stuff as well. Let's go ahead and click on import file and select the file that we want to import. And this is how we import different files as well, guys. So now let's go ahead and take a listen to it. Let me just lower the volume a little bit. Oh, sorry, I messed it up again. But anyway, yeah, let's go ahead and save it. And then you can go ahead into the library and you can go ahead and listen to it as well. So yeah, now you get the gist of it. Like overall, that's how you can add different vocals to it. Now, what I would recommend doing is like going into a closet or a closed space where the sounds won't have to bounce. If you go ahead and do it out in the open air or like a vast or very, very big room, then your voice is going to echo. It's going to bounce off the walls. It's not going to be as clear. So what I would recommend is going into the closet or finding a small room that has a lot of stuff in it so that your sound does not bounce off the walls and other objects available within the room. So You're also going to need a microphone, although you don't need a high-end microphone as most people would tell you. You just need a good enough microphone to get started if that's what you really want to do, right? Just decent enough microphone, all right? You can connect it with your phone and you should be good to go. It's very simple, nothing too crazy. Anyway, this is how you do it. This is how you create and add different vocals in BandLab. And I know I'm not an expert in it, but yeah, I think I did a pretty good job in explaining how, the application works. But if you want me to go in more in depth, then do let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to get back to you and create another video on it and going in more depth, explaining to you more options as well. I'm gonna go ahead and mess around with it a little bit after I'm done with the video to get a better feel of it, and hopefully maybe in the near future I create another video on BandLab explaining every single feature and how you can properly create a song or create beats. All right, but anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this video educational. If it, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.